Hey guys, it's me, the Puppet Knob, and today I'll show you how to build Santa's sleigh out of Lego. This is a really interesting build, and you could use it for multiple things, just like a statue, or you can put it on the tree with some little bits here where you can attach a string. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, that was a short build. I couldn't turn it into a short because it was in between being 1 minute and being more than 1 minute, so I just made it as a really simple YouTube video. I really like this build a lot. It's one of my favorite Christmas related things which I've built on this channel, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can even turn it into an ornament if you attach a string here. But yeah, now you can run wild with your imaginations. You can add like a Santa here or some presents. As a matter of fact, a Santa minifigure would fit here. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.